Almost every pan here claims to be non-toxic and non-stick, but those words get stretched a lot and the prices swing from around $20 to several hundred. Some coatings last for years, others fade in months. Let's sort out which non-stick pans actually earn that label and which one fits your kitchen. Let's get into it. Starting off at number 5, we're kicking things off with something that splits a room. The HexClad 6-piece hybrid set. 3 pans, 3 lids, 8, 10, and 12 inches. So what's the deal with this hybrid thing? They laser etch a hexagonal pattern, stainless steel ridges with a ceramic nonstick sitting in between. The idea is you sear like real stainless, but still get the easy release of a coating. And for the most part, owners say it actually works. You can brown a steak properly and still slide an egg out, as long as you preheat and use a little oil. That last bit matters, so let me be straight about it. This is not a dump-and-go Teflon pan. Cook eggs bone dry on a cold surface and they will stick. There's a learning curve, and it comes up again and again from buyers who expected magic with zero oil. Once they season it and preheat properly, the complaints mostly disappear. On the specs that count for me, the tri-ply build with an aluminum core gives you even heat distribution across all 3 sizes. No nasty hot spots for pancakes or a sauté. It's induction friendly, oven safe to a serious temperature, and metal utensil safe, so you're not babying it. For a non-toxic crowd, that hybrid coating also dodges the old PFOA worries. The trade-off is weight and price. This is heavier than your typical nonstick, and the 12-inch with the lid is a workout. It's also a premium set, so the value only lands if you cook several times a week. A handful of long-term users mention the nonstick fades if you ignore the care instructions, but treated right, the lifetime warranty backs the build. Who's happiest here? People who want one do-everything set and like stainless performance but hate the sticking. Daily eggs in the small pan, salmon seared in the big one, then finished in the oven. That's the sweet spot. If that's how you cook, this is built to last. The link is in the description. Moving to number 4, and this one swings the other way after that hybrid set. The SENSARTE 8-inch ceramic skillet. Small, simple, and built around one idea, a coating that's free of PTFE, PFOA, and PFAS. So if your main worry is the non-toxic side of things, this is the pick that speaks your language. The ceramic surface won't flake into your food, and it doesn't throw off fumes if it gets too hot. For anyone who's been nervous about old coatings breaking down, that's the whole pitch right there. The thing 8 inches does best is eggs. An omelet, a couple of fried eggs, a quick grilled cheese. The surface is slick enough that food slides off with barely any oil, which is exactly what you want for a daily egg pan. And the cleanup is genuinely quick. A wipe with a towel and warm water and you're done. Now the build is smarter than the price suggests. It's cast aluminum with an induction base, so it heats fast and evenly and it works on every stovetop, induction included. The handle is Bakelite with a wood grain look, stays cool while you cook. And the pan goes in the oven up to 550 degrees once you pop the handle off. For a pan this cheap, that's a lot of flexibility. Here's the catch, and it's the same story with most ceramic. The nonstick is fantastic early on, but it fades faster than PTFE if you abuse it. So skip the dishwasher, hand wash it, keep the heat at medium, and don't drag metal across it. Treat it that way, and it holds up. Treat it like a tank, and you'll be replacing it sooner. The other honest limit is size. 8 inches feeds 1 person, maybe 2 at a push. This is a breakfast pan, not a dinner for the family pan. But that's not a flaw, it's just what it's for. As a low-cost, non-toxic skillet for eggs and quick single servings, it does the job without asking much from your wallet. The link is in the description. Moving to number 3, the Calphalon Hard-Anodized Nonstick Set. 2 pans, an 8-inch and a 10-inch, and a name that's been doing this in American kitchens for a long time. For me, what carries this one is the build. Hard-anodized aluminum is dense and tough, so you get fast, even heat distribution, and far less of that warping you see in thin, cheap pans. Cook pancakes across the whole surface and you're not fighting a hot spot in the middle. That's the kind of thing that separates a pan you keep for years from one you toss in 8 months. The handles stay cool on the stovetop, and the whole thing goes in the oven up to 450 degrees. So you can start eggs or a frittata on the burner and finish it under heat without swapping pans. There's also a 10-year warranty behind it, which tells you the brand isn't expecting this to fall apart. And if these picks are helping you sort through the options, subscribing really supports the channel so we can keep making comparisons like this one. Now the catch, and it's a real one for some of you. This set is built for gas, electric, and glass tops, not induction. So if you cook on an induction range, This won't pull its weight there, and that's worth knowing before you click buy. It shines on a standard cooktop, where it does exactly what it promises. One more practical note, they call it dishwasher safe, and it is. But like most coated pans, the nonstick lasts longer if you just hand wash it with warm water and a soft sponge. Skip the metal utensils. Keep the heat at medium, and this coating holds its release for a good while. Straight up, as a do-everything pair for daily cooking, this is one of the easier value calls on the list. A trusted brand, solid heat, and 2 sizes that cover most of what you cook in a week. You'll find the link in the description. Moving to number 2, and this is the premium pick of the bunch, the All-Clad HA1 2-piece nonstick set, an 8-inch and a 10-inch, from a brand that's been outfitting serious kitchens in the US for decades. So what are you actually paying for here? The build. This is heavy-gauge hard-anodized aluminum bonded to a stainless steel base. That combo gives you fast, even heat distribution, and almost no warping, even after years on the burner. Cook eggs across the whole surface and they cook the same edge to edge, no dead spots. The nonstick is PTFE, and it's the good kind. Food releases with barely any oil, which is exactly what you want for delicate stuff like fish or pancakes. And it works on induction, gas and electric, oven safe up to 500 degrees, so you can sear on the stove and finish in the oven without swapping pans. Now the long-term picture is what sold me. Owners who've had these for years keep saying the coating still releases like new. And here's what Karen wrote. I've had these pans about 5 years now, and they still work like the day I got them. Eggs slide right out and cleanup takes seconds. They feel like real heavy-duty cookware. When that pattern repeats across so many owners, I trust it more than any spec sheet. The catch, and it's a fair one, is the weight. These are heavier than basic nonstick pans. If you flip and toss food one-handed a lot, the long stainless handle can feel a little unbalanced when the pan's full. That's the trade-off for a build this solid. One more thing, it's labeled dishwasher safe, but hand washing it with a soft sponge and keeping the heat at medium is what makes that coating last years instead of months. Treat it right, and it earns its keep. For home cooks upgrading from cheap pans who want something built to last, this is worth the price. You'll find the link in the description. Before we reveal our number 1, be sure to check out the description below for the freshest deals on each of these items. And at number 1, taking the top spot, something you might not expect, the Tramontina 8-inch nonstick frying pan. It's the most affordable thing on this whole list, and it still earned its place. So why does a budget pan close out the ranking? Because of what it gets right where it counts. This thing is NSF certified, which means it meets the standards for an actual professional kitchen. And it carries a lifetime warranty. On a pan this cheap, that combination tells me the brand isn't cutting corners on the build. Now the specs that actually matter here. It's heavy gauge aluminum, so you get fast, even heat distribution across the surface. For eggs and omelets, that's the whole game. No cold patches, no scrambling to chase a hot spot in the middle. The reinforced nonstick gives you that easy food release with barely any oil, and cleanup is quick. Here's a small touch I like. The handle is solid stainless steel with a soft silicone sleeve, and that sleeve pops right off. So you can finish a frittata in the oven up to 400 degrees without melting anything. Smart design for a pan at this end of the market. Now the catch, and it's an honest one, this is not induction compatible. So if you cook on an induction range, it won't heat for you, and you'll want one of the picks higher up instead. It works great on gas, electric, and glass tops, just not induction. The other thing is size. 8 inches is a 1-person pan. Eggs, a quick sear, a single portion. It's not feeding the whole table. What this is, really, is the easiest low-risk buy on the list. A trusted name, restaurant-grade certification, and a lifetime warranty, all for the kind of money where you barely have to think about it. Treat it right, hand wash it, keep the heat at medium, and it'll cook eggs for years. As a starter pan or a dedicated egg pan, this is hard to beat. The link is in the description. Now, you know which ones actually deliver and which ones are mostly marketing if you cook on induction and want one set that does everything. Number 5. If you want the best built-to-last upgrade, number 2. And if you just need a reliable, low-risk egg pan for the price, number 1. Amazon prices go up and down, check them in the links in the description.